very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss about concept of elasticity of demand and its degrees of elasticity of demand. So see, demand of a commodity is determined by so many factors which affect the demand of the commodity, like commodity's own price, income of the consumer, price of related goods. All these are the factors which we have studied in previous chapter. The concept of elasticity of demand means the degree of responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good to a change in any of the factor affecting its demand. Means up to what degree demand of a particular commodity is affected by a change in any of the factor which affect the demand. And there are three types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity, income elasticity and cross elasticity. We will study about price elasticity of demand. So what is price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand means it refers to percentage change in quantity demanded or percentage change in demand of a commodity due to percentage change in price. So according to law of demand, we have only studied that there is a inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. This we have studied, and this is law of demand, that there is a opposite and inverse relationship. So law of demand, it shows the direction of change in price and quantity demanded, that in what direction both the variables change. Both are changing in opposite direction. So if to the direction of change we add magnitude or the degree of change, then it becomes elasticity of demand. For example, if we say that price of a commodity is increased by 50% and quantity demanded is decreased by 25%, then again if we say price of a commodity is fall by 50% and quantity demanded is increased by 25%. So with the study of direction of change, law of demand shows the study of direction of change. If we add the degree of change, then it shows price elasticity of demand. Because earlier we are only study the change in direction between price and quantity demanded. Now we are seeing the degree of change of price and quantity demanded. So what is price elasticity of demand? It is written as like this: price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change, this is a symbol of change, delta, percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Okay, suppose for example, due to 10% fall in price, due to 10% fall in price, demand is increased by 30%. So what is price elasticity of demand? Apply the formula. Price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded, that is demand increased by 30% and percentage change in price is 10%. So demand, price is falling, so we can put minus sign, and demand is increasing, so we can put plus sign. So price elasticity of demand is equal to -3. It means with the change in price of a commodity, elasticity of demand, quantity demanded is increases by 3 times. So price elasticity of demand shows the number of times. It shows the number of times the demand response, or what is the degree of response. But here we ignore this minus sign. Why we ignore this minus sign? Because this is the coefficient of price elasticity of demand, so it is always negative number. Okay, and this is because of inverse relationship between price and demand. Price falls and demand increases, this is the inverse relationship. So this coefficient is a negative number due to the inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. However, the negative sign we drop in price elasticity of demand. So because of this inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, here it is a minus sign, but we drop this minus sign. And price elasticity of demand measures the response of demand, means the number of times demand changes due to a given change in price. So the given change in price is 10%. So what is the number, what is the change, what is the degree of responsiveness in the change in demand? So degree of responsiveness is 3 times, and number of times can never be in negative. We cannot say that you have seen movie minus 4 times. We cannot say like this. So number of times cannot be in negative, so we ignore this minus sign. We always take we always say, we write like this: price elasticity of demand is equal to 3. Okay, so this is elasticity of demand, which I have explained you. Elasticity of demand, law of demand shows the direction of change in price and quantity demanded, and elasticity of demand, it shows the degree of responsiveness, means what is the change in percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price. And the formula we apply: 3 types of elasticity of demand: price, income, and elasticity, and cross elasticity. And price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price.